If you have a Ricoma embroidery machine, be sure you have this kind of tubular embroidery hoops in your hand. In order to get the correct hoop length, you just use the tape measure to measure it like this. You see this Ricoma hoop, the length is 395 mm. That means 15.5 inch. When you measure the hoop, the dimension you got may be 1 or 2 mm different from what we listed on catalog or online store. That doesn't matter. It may cost by measuring method. The small variety doesn't affect the fit on embroidery machine after you receive the MaggieFrames. The Ricoma embroidery hoops normally have 5 kinds of hoop lengths. They are 355 mm, that means 14 inch, 395 mm, that means 15.5 inch, 495 mm, that means 19.5 inch, 605 mm, that means 23.8 inch, and a range of embroidery hoops for the Ricoma EM1010, like this. Regarding the Ricoma EM1010 embroidery machine, you don't need to measure the hoop length because each size have a different length. You will see. When you buy the MaggieFrame from our distributor or from our online store for your Ricoma EM1010 embroidery machine, you just choose your favorite size of MaggieFrame magnetic hoop and choose your embroidery machine brand is Ricoma and the size is for EM1010 is okay. Because we already designed and validated the brackets for the Ricoma EM1010 embroidery machine.